What is Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks stands as a unified, open analytics platform enabling the creation, deployment, sharing, and management of enterprise-grade data, analytics, and AI solutions at a large scale. The Databricks Data Intelligence Platform seamlessly integrates with the cloud storage and security within your cloud account, taking charge of managing and deploying cloud infrastructure on your behalf. What is the purpose of Azure Databricks? Azure Databricks furnishes tools to connect various data sources to a single platform, facilitating the processing, storage, sharing, analysis, modeling, and monetization of datasets, encompassing solutions from business intelligence to generative AI. The Azure Databricks Workspace presents a unified interface along with tools catering to a wide array of data-related tasks, covering scheduling and managing data processing workflows, generating dashboards and visual representations, overseeing security, governance, high availability, and disaster recovery, exploring and annotating data machine learning, ML, modeling, tracking, and serving models, implementing generative AI solutions, integrated open source management. Databricks showcases a firm commitment to the open source community by managing updates of open source integrations in the Databricks runtime releases. Notable technologies founded by Databricks employees as open source projects include Delta Lake, Delta Sharing, MLflow, Apache Spark, Structured Streaming, and Redash. Tools and programmatic access. Azure Databricks maintains a suite of proprietary tools that expand and integrate these technologies, enhancing performance and usability, including Workflows Unity Catalog, Delta Live Tables, Databricks SQL, Photon Compute Clusters. Besides the Workspace UI, Azure Databricks offers programmatic interaction through tools like REST API, CLI, and Terraform.